Alright, what's good? I know I haven't made a video in a little minute. That's because I've been out of summertime. Get the fuck up out of that, bitch. Yeah. But anyway, I just wanna let y'all know. Just updating y'all where I've been. If y'all think I had to make a video in a little minute, so I wanna tell y'all where I've been and stuff. And I don't really got nothing to talk about. I mean, I know I'm kinda late on this, but shout out go to Usher, out to his family, salute to them. About that son being his stepson being brain dead. That son finally to me, that is me. Yeah, it really does. I mean, but you go in the show and yeah. I don't know how it feels, but hopefully I never know how it feels, but praise God to that family. Then, alright, let me tell you about this that happened last night. You wanted more money, this is why. Alright? Okay. So, me and my cousin, we decided to go to the movies, right? Because we heard the movie Step Up Revolution. So, last night, came out last night, we went to see about 7:15, stayed to like 10, 9 something, right? So, before we got there about 6, so it was time, we were about to take us out the glasses and everything, so we went to go see 3D1. So, we got the glasses, put it on the car, blah, so we went to the movie. And then, like, right at the end of the movie, a girl yells out, like when they doing that little soft part, and they do the ballerina part, and then the girl yells out, my pussy's crying. It been like, everybody's like laughing, and I'm like, what the fuck, why would she yell out something like that? And I'm like, whoa. You know, that's my ass off. Right, and then after the movie, let me tell you what happened. So my phone had went dead, right? So we couldn't call anybody. They called my cousin's mom to come pick us up, right? So the movie lady wouldn't let us use the public, the business phone. So we walked all the way. We walked up the half of the road, and then lived in the country, so it's clockwise to the gas station. So walked halfway up the road, and then we just like, I was like, we should turn back, cause it's like it's real dark. It's about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. And it's getting dark, and then so I was like, let's go back, man, and we'll just ask somebody in the arcade can we use their phone. Ask somebody in the arcade can we use their phone. So I was like, we went back. We got there, it was lightning and shit, and I was just scared as fuck. So we got back safely. The cars hitting us. You know, we had the lady was nice enough to let us use her cell phone in the arcade. So she let us use the cell phone. We called her mom coming up, and then mom didn't show up. They might have showed up like an hour later. So, you know, the movie theater closes at 10. So I'm like, stuck it out there. Eventually we got home. Everything turned out. Well, I was safely without getting fucking raped. I don't know what else to talk about. Don't know what to talk about. There's always to be making more videos. More dance videos. It's so damn pink because it's red or whatever the fuck you call it. Because I just Regulate. So, alright. Peace. And this was just me talking about some random shit that happened to me. That happened. Random shit that happened. So, 3, 2, 3, 2.